Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and in today's video, I am going to tell you how to recall or undo send mail that you have sent through your Gmail address. Now, let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, I am going to tell you mainly 2 points. In the first point, I will tell you how to recall or undo send mail that you have sent through your Gmail address. After that, I will tell you how to make changes in the setting for maximum recall timing. So these are the two main components that you should know of, and this is most the least feature that most of the person know into Gmail address, because certainly sometime you send a mail to your boss or certain mails to anyone other person that you do not want to send, and this option will help you for correcting that thing. Now let's move forward into our Gmail account and see how can we do that. Now we are into our Gmail account. Now we want to explore the feature in which we will recall back or undo send our mail. For that you should go into this gear option, that is settings. When you click here you will see all settings. You should click on that. After that it will take you to general. In general option you have the undo send option, send cancellation period, and this is the second option. This is the second objective also, that how to maximize. So in here when you click you will see 30 seconds. 30 seconds are the maximum time available to use or undo send the mail. If the mail reaches above 30 seconds it will not come back. So how this feature will work? So we have selected the 30-second option for undo send. That means it will recall back our mail which we have sent. Now we go down and just save changes. When you click on save changes it will again reopen our Gmail account. So it will take a few seconds to reload it. After that we will go into compose option. When we click on compose option you will see something like this, which is a new message. So I will message it for myself so that it will be fast. So this is the test mail for recall or undo send mail option. So test mail. So now I will click on send. When I click on send you will see there is a option that is available to you, message send undo. So this message has been already received by me, but when I click on undo you will see it will again recall back that message and it will open into my compose box option. So it will again I will send it again. I have 30 seconds. So if I go above 30 seconds you will not able to recall back or undo your sent email. So I think 30 seconds are the maximum time to change and to make amendment in your mistake, so that if there is something dumb you have done you can easily recall back and click on undo it, and you will see your mail will be received back and get into the inbox. So this is one of the best feature of a Gmail which you should use for the maximum capacity, that is 30 seconds, and 30 seconds will save you a lot of trouble in a long run. So with this point I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries have been cleared, and if not kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.